302, so 802, 302, 305. Down the line with Keith Craft.
He's got disabled rail card.
There.
East Midlands Railway day rover for today. And then we need another day rover for tomorrow. So for tomorrow, yes. For today and tomorrow.
Yes. Is that it?
Yes. Just in case you've got a first aid kit, he's taken a tumble outside, he's ripped his jeans, he's got a bloody knee up, he's trying to clean it up with.
Oh, well, after this is gone.
Yeah, go down there then, sweetheart.
Yes. Go. Yeah. That's 130.
That's alright.
Yes. Gardens and Piccadilly. Some of that will be on the streets of how people walking in our way.
Or it's a 22-minute walk, which means we won't make the train.
22-minute walk.
Between the two stations.
I am not making walking. There is a tram system.
Alright,
Opened in 1992. What's the point?
Okay, so we'll go on the tram, but do you know where the tram stop is when you come out of Manchester Vic? Is it a station directly outside?
Yes.
Yeah?
I think you just walk round. You go through the barriers and walk up. chases another dog. Oh wow, a land train. Oh, sorry, it's a tractor. Be the berry one then.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We need to find the tram stop in Victoria.
It's literally through the barriers, walk round. It's not that hard.
Okay. Okay. Well, let's go on the tram rather than the free bus. So like I say, we get there. Yeah, it's a bit of a long walk, isn't it? Okay. So if it's
straight left one. And George was like, super like, and he can't, he just ran to him. Yeah, like I said. Like, honestly, George didn't even remember that of it. Otherwise, like, we're just honestly, like, he's so unlucky. Just so unlucky. It's got like a lifetime trajectory.
The new Morley Station.
Shortly be arriving at St Dewsbury. If you're leaving the train, take a moment to check you have everything with you. Don't forget any bags or cases in the luggage racks or under seats, and retain your tickets as they may be required if exiting the station. next stop for this service will be Manchester Victoria, where this service terminates.
That took a while. It's a double tram, so
Going down this one.
yeah. Yeah,
Don't you think you better sit down?
yeah, that might help. Oh, there we go. Since we've been in Clon or Con, what's the difference between the plain one and this one? Can you see foldable steps near the doors? Ooh.
No, I can't.
Can you see a dot matrix board?
Yes.
Can you actually sit on seats that aren't plastic?
Yes.
Well, we're on a Manchester one then.
Ah.
That's the service to Rochdale via Oldham. The next stop will be Victoria.
We're now approaching Shoot Hill, where you can change for local buses and free buses around the city centre.
Oh, also one more thing. Are the announcements in English?
Yes.
Well, we're definitely in Manchester then. Used to be able to get my favourite bus from here. No, you can't. This is a service to Bury. The next stop will be Shoot Hill. For some reason I want to do something when the doors go click and then they open. You couldn't just push the door button for me. But I want to do this. When it goes click, I want to go.
Oh.
Bjorndalen Centre.
We are now approaching Market Street, where you can change for services at Manchester Airport.
We'll be Market Street. We'll be Market Street. We'll be Market Street. We'll be Market. That is so funny.
Get you a new bed, anything, get out.
My nan said as soon as I moved into Manchester, she's like, I'll get you a 40 something. Because of what happened to my other one.
We need to change a little bit.
It's nearly 10 past. jarred it.
We are now approaching Piccadilly Gardens, where you can change the services to Altrincham, Media City UK and Eccles, and local bus services.
Is the next one then the train
Yes, it is.
They're noisy dogs.
Well, this is why I prefer the T68s over the M5000s. We came up too late to go on the old T68 trams. We even did a farewell tour, which I also missed. Are the trains to Devonport hourly?
I don't know.
Because there's cars and we have to go past them. Toad, where are you off to? This is the service to Eccles via Media City UK. Update it.